for our walk. Come, bring them close. Something. Okay, good morning. The sun is out. It spent the Saturday with us. So it's a vlog and we just want to take a walk. We're taking it this late because somebody was very slow. But we're leaving now. A short walk actually. 30 minutes. Where did I meet this girl? No, if I do, I'm continuously now. At this point, we were back from our walk, and the next thing to do was to clean up and make breakfast, go to markets, all of that Saturday stuff anyway. So the plan was to make akara and pap for breakfast. I know some people would disagree to what I'm about to say, but for me, akara is quick. It's something I can just like make in like 30 minutes and I'm good. Like it's one of the easiest breakfasts you would ask me to fix. So that was what I did. Here I was just whisking the butter to put in air into it, and this akara was actually very yummy. Our akara is ready. Looks so good. So we had our breakfast, we slept for about 2 hours, and then we went off to the market. Um, so some of the prices here were quite shocking. Some were cheaper than I would have expected, while some were very expensive, and I didn't understand that. Basically we bought things we needed for the week to make soup, to make stuff. This onion was for 2,250, which was a surprise to me. These carrots you're looking at, they were tied for 500 naira each. The ginger and garlic I got from this guy, I do not understand. It was quite pricey. Plantain, I think they are not in season, so it's also pricey. And if I do not buy mangoes, did I go to the market? So there's a fruit market a bit close to the house. I wanted to get some fruits like kiwi, strawberries, and these guys didn't have them, so we also had to head to the supermarket to check for some of them. We could only get strawberries. I got Greek yogurt here as well. Then we got back home and the unpacking began. So funny thing is, I do not like going to the market, but I enjoy unpacking the things I've bought from the market. I enjoy the unpacking, the arranging, the organizing, and cooking parts. But that market, I don't like it. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so this is, hey, fly, get away. How'd you get in here? Let's take a picture of this. Okay, so you guys, this is what we've prepped so far. I hope you can hear me clearly. We have scent leaf here because I'm going to make, I'll put some of it in stew, and then I'm also making chicken pepper soup. I have onions here. We're making okra. What else? I don't know, but I love onions, so this is it. This is ugu. This ugu was 500, by the way. I think it's small, but here. Then this is goat meat. This goat meat was 14,000 naira. 2 kilos of goat meat. But we all know how expensive meat is. This is turkey. Haven't figured what we're going to make we eat. What we're going to use it to make. We just wanted to get turkey. This is fish. So this fish is going into the stew with some goat meat. The goat meat is for stew and okra. This is for the okra as well, stockfish. Roasted fish for the okra as well. Then here we have chicken for the pepper soup. I blended yellow pepper and is that one shombo tatashe, the big ones. Then tomatoes. Basically this is what we have going on, and we have our okra which we're about to chop. I would see you guys in a minute. I also have beans on fire. So I just like to cook beans halfway and put in the fridge. We're not making anything with it, just cook and keep. I am done. This is the stew. But let me tell you people something about this stew. My cousin blended tomatoes and he blended tatashe and pepper and he put them in nylons. And I think I may have collected tatashe to fry and not tomato. That's all I have to tell you people. It's very spicy but it tastes really good as well. So yeah, I'm done. We're going to serve our food, eat, and everybody will go and rest.